ACE Road Making and Earth Moving Division manufactures backhoe loaders, wheeled loaders, vibratory soil compactors, vibratory tandem rollers and motor graders. All these machines are provided with world-class features and performance parameters. The state-of-the-art plant is fully equipped to produce 1,200 machines annually. To cater to the growing demand of road construction machinery across the country, ACE backhoe loaders have 1 cubic meter front loading bucket and 0.24 cubic meter rear excavating bucket. Backhoe loaders are also available with 4-wheel drive option. ACE articulated wheeled loaders are available in 3 tons and 5 tons capacity with ergonomically designed cabin as standard fitment. ACE vibratory soil compactors are available in 10 tons and 12 tons capacities, and the total applied force is comparable to the best in the world. 9 tons class tandem vibratory roller is fitted with variable frequency mode to match the natural frequency of the soil, and the hydraulically shifting operator console and seat are a standard feature to speed up productivity and provide operator comfort. Ruggedness and powerful engine make ACE motor grader suitable for Indian operating conditions. Well-designed cabin is an integral part of our standard supply. Front dozer blade and rear ripper are available optionally.